Hey guys, we're back! Today we're taking you with us on a quick nature road trip adventure. Fresh air, good vibes, and a little escape from the city. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! So, we left home around 8 p.m., and as you can see, golden hour is hitting just right. The drive is about 4 hours long and we'll be getting to our inn around midnight. Just enough time for a quick rest before the real adventure begins. As budget adventurers, we went with the most affordable inn we could find for the night. Nothing fancy, but it does the job. Hopefully, we get enough rest because we'll need all the energy we can save for tomorrow's later adventure. Alright, good night guys. See you in the morning for a full day of exploring. Can't wait to bring you along. Good morning guys! Time check, it's almost 6 a.m. We checked out early to hit the road and head straight to our destination. Honestly, I didn't get much sleep. Too excited for today's adventure, I guess. The sunrise view along the way is absolutely lovely. It's like the nature's way of saying, "Good morning!" What a way to start the day. This sunrise really said, "Let me slay you real quick." Almost there, guys, and yep, we're off to Yosemite National Park. Can't wait to soak in those views and touch some trees. For your information, guys, we booked our day tour in advance because staying overnight inside Yosemite is super expensive. They do have camping spots and hotel rooms, but those book out fast and can cost a lot. Since this is just a day trip, we only paid for the day pass, which cost about $35 per vehicle. It gives us a full access to the park for the day, and if you're planning a visit, make sure to check the official Yosemite site at yosemite.com for the latest prices and booking info. Now that we're officially inside the park, just look at how nature is totally showing off. These views are next level. Can't wait to explore more. We're about 20 minutes away from our first stop, but we decided to pull over by the riverside for a quick stretch and to take in the view. Sometimes the little breaks are the best part. Tabi-tabi po!
Hi.
Look how big these lots are. Huh. Woo! It's getting chilly now. The river is so clear. Wow. Let's take a quick closer look. Wow, someone took a shit here. That's a diary. Let me talk to We've made it to our first stop, Tunnel View. It's called that because right after you exit the tunnel, you get this epic view of El Capitan, Bridalveil Fall, and Half Dome all in one spot. Total Yosemite postcard moment. Now, for our second stop, we're here at the Bridalveil Fall. It's named that because the water flows so delicately, it looks like a bride's veil blowing in the wind. But since it's summer, the flow is a bit dry right now. So if you want to see it in full force, the best time to visit is in spring, when the snow starts to melt. OMG! The views here are unreal. They say parts of Yosemite look like the Alps in Europe, and honestly, I see it. These cliffs and valleys give major Switzerland vibes. Nature is serving Euro dreams right here in California. Look at that! Now we're off to do a little hiking. Yosemite has tons of trails to choose from, depending on how much time you've got. Some popular ones are the Mist Trail, which takes you to Vernal and Nevada Falls, the Mirror Lake Trail for something chill, and if you're up for a challenge, there's the Half Dome Hike, but that one needs a permit. There's really something for every level here. Where are we?
Yosemite National
Yosemite!
Park. Did you pair the microphone?
Yeah.
Both of them?
Yes, they can hear you loud and clear.
So they can hear me say, wow, look at that big buck.
What? And that's our view. It's like they put all the rocks on that. Right.
People don't do that. It's not man-made. The river does that
Oh.
over many, many years.
Okay.
Pulls all the rocks down the river, and it's where they end up in a bank like that.
Okay. Let's keep going.
Morning.
Yeah, the same little flowers here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Better not fall on me.
That's quite a boulder there. Wow. You look like a minion. Tabi-tabi po. Mister, you're walking too fast. Iniiwan niya na ako. Tabi-tabi po. It's cold up here.
Ta-da!
The sound of the river flowing is just so relaxing. It's like nature's version of a spa soundtrack. I could seriously stay here all day.
Be careful.
Ooh, it's slippery.
And she falls in the water in 3, 2,
Come on, you're so slow.
1. And there she goes.
Why are you staying there?
Nothing. It's like the skiing video. I'm counting how many times you're gonna fall. We're still on the trail. That's just the road over there.
Different trail.
Yeah, it's split. That's the Happy Isles Trail. This is the Mist Trail.
I want a snack break.
We don't have any snacks.
I have a snack.
Well, then
Chips and
find a place to
guacamole.
sit. You need another 20 minutes. We gotta keep going. We can't break every 10 minutes. Otherwise, we'll never get there.
Where are we going? Is there a
To the Mist Trail.
beautiful view up there?
Yeah.
Oh. Look who we ran into the Mist Trail. A little squirrel? Or maybe a chipmunk? Not sure, but he definitely popped out to say hi to the vlog. He's so cute. He's out here living his best Yosemite life. So on this side, starting from Curry Village, we explored the camping area near the bridge. It's super peaceful with some really nice spots to just chill and take in the view. Then we did the Mirror Lake Trail and continued on the Mist Trail. I think we walked about 10 miles already, give or take. And if you know me, I'm not a hiking girly. I'm just here for the views, okay? But with sights like this, totally worth every step. Is this tiring you out, mister?
A little bit, yeah.
It's tiring me out.
We made it to the top.
Whew.
You survived. Barely.
Are you a survivor?
Of course. Now jump in the river.
Ha! You go first.
It'd feel good right now and cool off. Too many rocks. It's not deep enough.
This trail gets crowded, so if you're not into that, maybe explore some quieter spots instead. After all those trails, I finally convinced my husband to take the shuttle. I'm officially done walking for now. Good thing Yosemite has a free shuttle system where you can hop on and off at different stops around the park. Total lifesaver. Now it's lunchtime. There aren't a ton of restaurants or cafes here in Yosemite Village, so you either bring your own food, grab something from the village store, or dine in at one of the few spots around. We chose Degnan's Kitchen because my husband's in the mood for a sandwich. Simple, quick, and hits the spot. Have a BLT sandwich and you have a pastrami sandwich. After lunch, we're off to our last spot for the day, saving the best for last, hopefully. Before heading to our last stop, we checked out the village store for some souvenirs. They've got a ton of stuff, from shirts and mugs to cute little Yosemite keepsakes to take home. So now we're walking to our last stop, Yosemite Falls. Just like the Bridalveil Fall, the water flow isn't super strong right now since it's summer, but the view is still absolutely breathtaking. If you want to see it in full force, spring is the best time to come back. This is a wide-angle view of Yosemite Falls right behind me. Look how massive and stunning it is, even in the summer. Just a reminder, check the weather and park updates on the official Yosemite site before your visit, especially during summer. It will save you time and hassle. One last wide-angle view before we head home. Just look at that. Yosemite is definitely a must-visit. It's giving a total Europe vibes right here in California. That's it for this vlog, guys. We've got more adventures coming your way, so stay tuned. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!